guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Tuesday, happy 26th. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. What time are wasting your time? Let's get to sort of today. We all know that Umeli was evicted on Sunday. People were saying it was the best eviction day. People were celebrating. They couldn't wait to see Umeli outside, guys. I don't know the reason why people were hating Umeli, but right now it seems like people are showing so much love to Umeli. So guys, for those who don't know, Umeli, he has his own fan base. The Advocates, Uthandeka, she also has her own fan base. So guys, there are people that love both Umeli and Thandeka. They call themselves Tami Umeli, guys. You know, whenever they are voting, they do share votes. They will vote for Umeli and also vote for Thandeka, guys. They decided to gift Umeli 9,000 rand as a way to welcome him to the real world, guys. They are also currently busy preparing a vacation for Umeli and Thandeka to Mozambique. So guys, these people are from Twitter and WhatsApp. They do have their own WhatsApp group where they discuss Umeli and Thandeka's relationship. Sometimes you'll find them on TikTok talking about Umeli and Thandeka. They love them both. There's nothing to do with Team Thandeka or Team Umeli. They love both of them, guys. No wonder why they were trying so hard to save Umeli to be with Thandeka, guys. Even though people are saying team Thandeka, they didn't vote for Umeli. You know, right now Umeli's team, they don't have to vote for Thandeka. But when it comes to these two Umeli guys, the ships, they always vote for both of them. Even right now, since Umeli is no longer in the house, they're going to vote for Thandeka. So anyway, guys, welcome back, Umeli, guys. It is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.